Good morning to everyone. I am Enthalmisamy, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Christian Polytechnic College-ODDANCHATRAM. In this session, I am going to discuss about unconventional machining process. First of all, we have to see what are the objectives of unconventional machining process. Mainly, it is used to study the advanced machining process and also understand the traditional machining process, and also used to know the principles and various working of non-traditional based on the mechanical and thermal energy. It is also used to study the advanced machining process. Here, what are the course outcomes are there? What is the useful of this unconventional machining subject? So main outcomes are given here. It is used to able to understand the unconventional machining process and methods, and also able to understand difference between the conventional and unconventional machining process. It is used to select suitable machining process and also machine the hard materials. It is used to be familiar with electron energy and also involved in non-traditional machining process, and also familiar with electrochemical energy involved in non-traditional process. Here we are going to see about types of non-traditional or unconventional machining process. First one is ultrasonic machining, simply we can say USM. Second one is electrical discharge machining, simply we can say EDM. Electrochemical machining, ECM. Water jet machining, WJM. Abrasive water jet machining, AWJM. Electron beam machining, EBM. And the final one is laser beam machining, LBM. Then what are the types of non-traditional machining process based on mechanical, thermal and chemical and electrochemical energy? In mechanical energy, classified into 4 types: ultrasonic machining process, water jet machining, and also abrasive water jet machining, ion jet machining process. Second one is thermal energy based process. First one is EDM, second one is EBM. EDM means electrical discharge machining, electron beam machining, laser beam machining, ion beam machining, and also chemical energy based process, chemical machining, petrochemical machining, electrochemical machining. Next we are going to see what is mechanical machining, how it is classified. In this mechanical machining, ultrasonic machining and water jet machining are the typical example of single type of action. In this machining medium, we are using solid grains suspended in an abrasive slurry type in the former, while fluid is employed with the water jet machining process. By using ultrasonic machining, abrasive particles and abrasives and slurry are impacted the workpiece. And also water jet machining, we are using high velocity water jet is used to fluid and it is impacted the workpiece and it will take the machining process. And also the introduction of abrasive fluid jet enhances the machining efficiency and is known as abrasive water jet machining. Here and also similar case will happens when we are using ice particles, means it is also called as ice jet machining. Second one is thermal machining. What is thermal machining? By using thermal machining process, materials are removed by melting and vaporizing process. Many secondary phenomena occur during machining, such as microcracking, formation of heat affected zones, etc. Here we are seeing thermal non-traditional machining process. First one, EDS, electrical discharge machining. Here we are discharging the plasma arc and producing the arc by using mixed with a dielectric fluid, and also it is impacted the workpiece. Machining process takes place. And also electron beam machining. Second one is electrons is passed through the workpiece with high vacuum pressure and also it is impacted the workpiece, it will take machining or material removing process. And the third one is laser beam machining. Here we are using laser beam. Photons and electrons are impacted and mixed with high pressure velocity air, and also it is impacted with the workpiece. It will take machining or material removal process. Finally, the chemical and electrochemical machining. What are the chemical and electrochemical machining? Chemical machining process, iron particles with electrolyte fluid are mixed together and with impacted high velocity force to the workpiece. At the time the workpiece material removing or machining process takes place. Then chemical milling or photochemical milling we are using chemical dissolution action and removing the machining allowance through the ions and agent. Here electrochemical machining uses the electrochemical dissolution phase to remove the allowance using the ion transfer by using an electrolyte cell. Here chemical milling or petrochemical milling, the iron particles with impacted workpiece with agent with the high velocity force to the workpiece. That time the material removal takes place by using machining or milling, chemical milling or chemical machining process by using chemical energy and electrochemical energy. Finally, we are seeing what is water jet cutting. Here it is also called as hydrodynamic machining. By using fine, high pressure, high velocity of water directed at the workpiece to cause cutting of the work. Here what are the properties or specifications we have to use the time of cutting? First one is we have to maintain the nozzle diameter 0.1 to 0.4 mm, and also we have to maintain the pressure up to 400 megapascal also. So that nozzle jet velocity is we have to maintain up to 900 meter per second. Here we are using fluid is pressurized with by a hydraulic pump. Important process parameters are followed by the water jet cutting or water jet machining process. We are seeing the diagram. The standoff distance is we have to maintain the 3.2 mm too small to avoid dispersion of the fluid stream. Then next one is nozzle opening diameter. It will affect the precision of the component. So and also we have to maintain the water pressure for high for thicker materials. We have to increase the water pressure level for the thicker materials, and also we have to maintain the cutting feed rate, the velocity at which the water jet cutting nozzle is traversed along the cutting path. So water jet cutting is mainly worked under the high velocity of water in the water jet cutting. Thank you. We will see the next session again. Thank you.